do it, even if it's just for you or if it's for your own career. Like, it's really helpful to know all this stuff.
I would tell someone who's coming, you're in for an experience, educationally, and you're in for a treat as far as education on the business end, which is something I didn't expect, so that was a bonus.
You gotta come. You gotta come because Jenny's awesome, AJ's awesome. I've known them for a while, and again, same thing. Anybody wanting to take the nutrition to the next level, just learn more in depth about the stuff. You know, it's a lot of stuff out here that you might hear, you might read in newspapers and magazines and the internet and things like that. But to know the science behind it and why, and to help our athletes out to make sure we're doing it right for them.
If you don't have a sports nutrition certification right now, I definitely think this is a great tool for your toolbox.
I would say to definitely do it. It's worth it. It's awesome having the group of professionals around you that you can network with and talk with. And you know that also you learn a lot from everybody else in the group.
Definitely come. It's a good experience and we can all use the knowledge.